Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick I kind of got ready already. I just have on a little shirt, I'm wearing this wig, this little pants, and I'm gonna wear the sneakers. I am gonna be doing something fun today and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to go horseback riding. Yay! I've never done this before. I'm coming out of my comfort zone. I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog because your girl is getting back out there, and I'm gonna try and find some fun and stuff to do this summer with what's left of summer, because we know fall's around the corner. So yeah. Hey Nevi.
Hi.
I got a surprise for you.
What? I can't see your head.
Alright, whatever you tell you a second.
Okay.
Okay. Surprise! What does it say? Yeah.
It says MEVAEH.
Good job.
I wonder what it say right here.
A special thanks to Hooray Heroes for sending us this new book that's called the Grow Up Edition, and these books come personalized, so you can enter your child's name, and the first page you can write a sweet little message to your little one. Guys, if you have been following this page for some time, you know that I love any Hooray Heroes book. I surprised Nevi's dad last year with a book for Father's Day edition, and this year they sent me one catering the stories towards mommy and the child, and I love that. Guys, if you're looking for a book to symbolize a special occasion in your little one's life, this would be the book for you. I love that all the stories are focused around the children, and even if they're siblings, they have books catering towards that. They have books catering towards Nana, Pop-Pops, whatever family member. Father's Day, Mother's Day, you name it, you can find a story. And guys, each page is a different theme, and I love that. When I tell you I am an adult, and I was so fascinated just as much as Nevaeh to go through and to read all the stories with her. Her face lit up and so did mine. I love how beautifully illustrated these books are. The colors are so bright and vibrant. Listen, these books captivate you as you open and turn the pages. It's like creating a whole new world for the kids to just enjoy each story, and I love that. You can customize it to match the hair, all the little details there are. You can customize both mom and baby or whatever relative that you're making the book for. Yeah, it's the alarm of the farm is what you'll wake up to. You let mommy give the horses the, because the mommy was remembering when you were a little baby. And the end. You like the book?
Yeah. So everyone, your people said to get these. So click on the button if you want to see more of us read a book like this, like this. So click on that button up there, on the white button. Okay? So
So I just did my hair. The gel is not even dry as yet, but guys, I did laundry. Excuse the laundry. But I got roll on. I got a little. I'm gonna put on some Vaseline on my lips. Put on my shoes on, and then I'm gonna be ready to go. I do not want to be late. And so the owner already called me and was like, hey, are you still coming, just to confirm. And he was like, all right, I'm gonna go get the horse ready for you. And I'm like, yay! Guys, I'm so excited. I have never done this before, but I'm just like, I want to do stuff that I've never done, like first time stuff, you know, a lot of solo dates, because why not? Like, I want to do something fun today. So I literally just found this last night, and I called the guy at like 9 o'clock, and I'm like, hey, do you do solo rides along the trail? And he's like, yeah, I can. And I'm like, okay, I'll be there tomorrow. And he was like, all right, see you. And guys, I called the guy at like 9 o'clock. And I called him earlier and he never answered right away. But he called me back and I was so shocked. I was like, thank you. Thank you for calling back, because I really wanted something to do today. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing today. I just put on this because I think this would be loose and free. And I got my cute little bag. Y'all remember this bag that I got from Jamaica and Curse? And yeah, that's my fit for today. Guys, let's go have some fun. I am so excited. I'm like, this is the stuff I want to be doing. I want to find fun activities, you know, for me to do by myself. Rainy, so I thought it was going to be cancelled. I thought I was ready, so I woke up this morning and I brought Nevi to dance class and I made my breakfast. I did everything already, but I even had to stop and get gas, and then I never remembered that I should have stopped and draw cash because I need cash to tip the guy. So I need to put up my breakfast and then I'm gonna be heading out. I have a bowl of fruit here that I'm trying to enjoy. I don't know why I never stopped and got the fruit, got the cash earlier. This peach is so good. I'm not wearing any scent, any makeup, nothing. It's because I'm gonna be dealing with the harsh. I know sometimes animals can be sensitive to scent. Let's go. Alright guys, so I went in and got the money. So we are gonna be getting on our way now. Oof. We're gonna be going on our way now. I'm really glad that he didn't cancel the riding session. I'm gonna do our trail riding. Okay, so okay, got my phone. Oop, my phone is blocking y'all. Oh my gosh. But anyways guys, let's go. Guys, so one thing that I've been telling myself is that I want to come out of my comfort zone a bit. And if y'all know I'm a homebody. I love being home. So I'm like, I want to, you know, be doing some fun stuff. Like I want to be doing the solo dates. And I've been telling you guys and I've never actually acted on it. Like I've always like, you know, I'm gonna stay inside this weekend. But no guys, we are gonna do it because summer is almost gone. And y'all know your girl is not gonna be going out in winter cold time. I don't like that, so we're gonna try and make the most of what's left of it. Yeah, I think these lashes need to get refilled. Guys, y'all notice my eyebrows, so they've been looking so much better. I started waxing.
Alright, first time on a horse. Very nice.
Let me tell you something. If you were supposed to look up the word scared, my picture would show up. Okay guys, I was trembling so much I could not even hold the camera to record, but I got over my fear and you know I started to calm down a bit. Like my hands were shaking because yeah, I definitely will be coming back. Yeah, she is really leading.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Normally this time, she usually likes to kind of go a little faster, but in the mud today, she's feeling nice and calm.
Oh, yeah, I like this pace
Yeah.
that she's going. Oops, sorry, sorry. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna slow down a little. Alright.
guys, I'm back. That was so much fun. I highly recommend, if you are looking for something to do, go horseback riding. You will enjoy yourself. Like when I get home, I need to go. So I was thinking that I wanted to go to lunch or dinner, but I want to be sitting on a waterfront, so I don't know. But anyways guys, that was fun. Like they were asking me, when are you coming back, when are you coming back, and I'm like, this might be a monthly thing, because that was so fun. And of course was such a good ride. Like that horse, what's her name, Otterbox, she knew her thing. Like she knew her thing. Okay, I didn't have to do really much leading, and they were so patient with me, and you know, it was fun. Oh my gosh, isn't that bad, Monique, man? We do it all the time. I just have something for watch. Just download some show. That's what I do. Download some show and just watch that and relax yourself. Right, it's 4 o'clock already, Monique. No, sir. So guys, I reached home and I didn't bother to go to a restaurant because I was like, I really wanted seafood. I was craving some fried shrimp, you know, just the way that I like it. And I'm like, you know what, restaurants are not going to do it the way how I want, so might as well I go home and cook it myself. And that's exactly what I did. So guys, while I'm home cooking, Monique is on the phone with me, and we were like, you know, just catching up and you know, getting the update, you know, the life updates. Because we've been so busy, we didn't get to, you know, really catch up much. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have some broccoli here. I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna air fry. One thing, so I love broccoli. I never used to eat broccoli, but ever since I started doing it in like the conventional oven or like an air fryer, I've like become a whole fan of broccoli. At this point, y'all just need to call me Chef J, because y'all, I'm telling you, I did my thing with don't look at the almost burnt sweet potatoes, okay? But guys, listen, I brought some down to Monique, and Monique said it was good. She was like, Jay, your food is chef's kiss, okay? And I was just like, you know, catching up with my bestie, you know, doing a little chit chat at this point. And Monique actually gave me ackee and saltfish, guys, and I just added to my dinner, and that was dinner for me. And thank you for watching. Monique, thank you.
And she gave me 50, so